look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
That even Nyoka size, bro.
Boom.
Price.
So $29 and this is like $15, $14, $15.
It's over $40.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Nyoka
And I'm Jay.
and welcome to Cheers Adventures. Today we're going to be doing another challenge. So this one is a sibling challenge and we're going to have $40 each and he's going to try to dress me and I'm going to try to dress him. And I'm going to try to buy an outfit for him with $40 and see who chose the best outfit.
Okay.
Go take up the garbage down there.
I feel like I'm going to win. Comment down below.
Team J. Team J.
Comment down below, Team Nyoka, and see which one of us have find a better outfit for the same price. So follow us to the mall. On the way to the mall now, we're almost reached, but I think, honestly, I've been at the mall way more often than you, so I might be able to find things, but I know mantle is way more expensive, but I feel like, so because we're using our own money, we don't want it for wasted. We need it to actually be worth it. And we can't return, we can't do none of that, so hopefully at some point we can go somewhere.
I hate shopping.
You know my style and my size, but I tell him my size. First of all.
I know my size. That's not one thing. You're not
I know my size. I don't know if you know my style. I don't know if you know nothing, so you think I know your size.
So just live up to the thing, them dog.
Get it to the mall, so now it's time for the real deal.
Oh damn, that's not good luck.
Yeah, like wake up and do it like that's fine. Ready? Yeah, so we're going to the bank, Scotia Bank, and we're gonna draw our monies and
Oh boy. Only $40. Only
Yeah.
$40.
so I have my 40 Canadian money is plastic, by the way, from my Jamaican
Pretty
fans. Money pretty, can't tear and it can't wait up. But so I have a $40 and we'll make sure so we'll show you guys exactly that we don't spend nothing more.
So how are we gonna do this? What? You're gonna hide?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be around on your shopping.
Alright.
We'll see at the
Deal.
end of the day.
So what my thing for do is just get a hoodie, just get like something quick, and just get a quick pants because it's fall up. So
Yeah, but look at the prices. To spend wise.
This store is kind of expensive, right?
See? Gosh dang it. So not gonna work.
No. Oh, it's too expensive, right?
So my technique is to go really low on the pants, price-wise. So this is 40% off. This is literally the cheapest store on the mall, so we must get some. You feel really confident though, so you can just make an ask to work out which one is the cheapest pants here and just work with that. Yeah, this would be the cheapest. This would be like $6. Oh, for real? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think he's a medium. That looks too boring.
Damn. Alright. I'm out of here, people watching me. So right now, we're going into H&M.
Clocks on feet, well neat. You feel look for clothes still, youth.
Okay, so I got the pants in stitches and it actually came to $6. So I already know I can't get a shirt that's really bomb. Because if this is $6 then I have enough money to play with. Me, I go win. I won't even go in any expensive stores. I'm gonna go to my go-to store, which is Winners. I feel like I can find something good here. So this one is 13. I like this, but this one go with the pants that I bought. So really nice. A polo. Polo.
Polo, 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 polo.
So Winners was a fail. This is my go-to store, but it never have any shirt that really pop within the price range. Forever 21 is bankrupt, so this would be a good place, but them man clothes are really horrible, so but even not going. Fingers crossed, I hope this one is do you have any mentions that's on sale or
Everything in the store is buy one, get 50%.
do you have like a clearance section? Or is it-
Section is back there.
Yeah, I wanna.
Oh, 19. But that look ugly. Oh, I see a $6.
Rough challenge.
She like shorts. Like 50 low. Like a hoodie and a shirt. Because
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
oh,
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Is that even Nyoka size, bro?
boom.
Price.
So $29 and this is like $15, $14, $15.
It's over $40.
Yeah. Gotta find something cheaper though.
I know I did this stuff for about 21, but I need an undershirt at $5 and I might find something. This should be a nice undershirt just because you know it's cold in Canada. I'm gonna see if this, it says $12, but they should have 70% off sales stuff, so you can see. I'm gonna ask the cashier how much this costs.
I think they're looking at us weird because I'm shopping in the female section. It says shirt here. You must get them. Oh. What are shirts? I would like to get like they got thick and stuff.
I can't have you record in the store, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
So right now, I get my items. I gotta talk fast because I don't want to get kicked out.
It's actually $2 for that shirt, so I still have 10. I'm winning. I have 3 things. This is what I haven't changed. So this is like almost $1 something. So I think I'm winning. I think I'm winning, guys. 3 bags. You have to know to mix and match and make the clothes work. So let's see what he got.
Nervous?
Let's get to
You nervous? I feel like I'm here going. Huh?
Oh, you feel so?
Yeah.
Like a voting poll. No, them can comment too. We can't figure out. Alright guys, so we're back home. We're at our parents because we want some honest reviews on who we think win. And you guys will comment in the comment section and let us know who you think win. I'm saying Team Night obviously because
Team
I
J.
have the fashion sense here.
Yeah, sure.
This is my bag. $40. This bag. Who want to go first? You go first or you want?
You go first.
Me go first? Yeah, put the best first.
Yeah, the best first.
So this is a shirt, American Eagle.
Nice. I like this. I like this. Look at Burberry.
And then I like an accessory for your hand to go with. I got some pants from Stitches.
Okay.
I don't know, it's size 34, I don't know if that's in wear, but.
So that's it?
No, one more thing. Got an undershirt, because you know we have to layer up since we live in Canada. So put on your outfit.
Alright.
And that's how you spend $40.
Well, competition is, you know, it's getting real.
Okay. So this is the outfit. What do you guys think? Actually like it. You have my right size. Everything fits. I would wear this.
Yeah. I will wear this. I got a little bezel.
And then yeah.
This is $40, guys. This is $40.
the whole entire outfit is
Okay.
$40 and mine too. So tell us in the comment who you guys think won, who you think win.
I still think I did a really good job.
Alright guys. Please subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, please.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun. The bell? Oh. Circle. Alright. Alright, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate the support, the love and support. And if you guys really want to see him in more of the videos, just comment down below. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I post a video. Please subscribe. Bye.